The barbell floor press primarily targets your chest, with secondary involvement from the triceps and shoulders. Unfortunately, due to the limited range of motion, it's not as optimal for growing your chest since you won't be able to get a full stretch in the pecs. However, if you're looking to max out your bench press strength, this variation will help improve your lockout strength. Lastly, if you have previous shoulder issues, this bench press variation also minimizes shoulder strain by limiting your range of motion to reduce excessive rotator cuff stress. Here's how to do it correctly. Lie on your back on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Position yourself so you're centered under the barbell. With your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, grasp the barbell securely. Carefully unrack the bar and position it directly above your chest with arms fully extended. In a controlled motion, lower the bar until your upper arms gently touch the floor, keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your body. Exhale and drive through your chest and triceps to press the bar back up, fully extending your arms. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.